Hi, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channel segment with Arcturian, Daniel, and friends. Before I get started, there is a reminder that on December 29th, I'm doing a journey with Daniel. Go check that out. That link's down below. And on January 18th and 19th, I'm doing the channeling class. Please check that out down below. I'll just keep it simple. If you guys are interested, the information's there, or go to traciemahan.com. If you're interested in doing a session, you'll find that at traciemahan.com. All right, let's go find out what Daniel has to say for the energy going on right now. We want you to know that you have so much support around you. You are all following your guidance so well. When we first came in, we got the essence or the energy of Ganesh, the remover of obstacles from your path. And to remember that you have help like this. You have beautiful beings in your energy, in your frequencies, at your access to come in and to help you to move those obstacles out of the way, to ensure you the smoothest path moving forward as you take your daily steps and you move forward in faith and in trust. Know that you have help taking you there as well. As we look into the energy of what it is we would like to share with you today, we want to remind you all that there is beautiful abundance out there, expansion out there for everyone. Every person you see has access to expansion, to knowledge. They have come from many other places. They have come from many other incarnations and experiences. And as we travel, as we move in this world as a human form, as you all come into this thought and idea and experience of being human, you are also so much more. You are the ethers, you are the expansion, you are infinity, you are everything and you are nothing. You are small, you are big, you are loud, you are quiet, you are all of it. And as you open your minds to the new possibilities that await you, you let go of the strings that you have been holding on to the past, to the parts of you that are no longer working under these constructs. You are stepping into the journey of self-love, self-reliance, self-understanding, which helps you then to step into the journey of humanity. What you see in yourself is what you see in others. This is not new information. So as you are on this journey of self, you are changing everything around you, the people you attract, the things you see and experience. And as you move through these gateways, as you ascend through these lessons that you have in your world, in your life, you accelerate, you achieve, you move, you change, you reform, you master it. And as we see you mastering these beautiful energies, we also see you moving through the astral fields. And we invite you to embark on meditations and prayer forms and astral travel, moving yourself through these dimensions, through time, through space. Move through them. Talk to your future self, talk to your past self. As you initiate these conversations with self from all aspects of you, you start to change the past, create the future, reform the now, into something that is more of what you have been desiring. When you are manifesting, you are working in all forms of you, all stages of you, and all parts of you throughout the timeline. You are shifting, as we say, timelines from different vibrations and frequencies. You hold different timelines. You are you are in this creative place of being able to see, if I make this choice, I go down this timeline. If I make this choice, I go down this one. And if I make that choice, I go down that one. And your mind is expanding and being able to see the alternate realities that it can and will be created with every choice you make. Your subconscious mind calculates these things out very quickly. And most of the time, you have not been aware of these calculations. They have been called intuitive nudges for you. I had the intuitive nudge to go this route or that route, or I've ignored that intuitive nudge and went this route. This is the higher self or your soul calculating out the highest and best good. And as you are learning to navigate through those intuitive nudges, you have become more aware and more aware yourself of these perceived outcomes and timelines. You are accelerating through the ascension process. You are finding yourself in a more telepathic communication with your higher self, with your spirit team, with your starseed families, with all the parts of you that are coexisting. You are finding yourself in these amazing scenarios. We say keep growing, keep expanding, keep going. You're doing a wonderful job. And we want to help you also to understand that you have a ripple effect for all of those around you. You are a powerful influencer. As you do, this energy ripples out. As you be, this energy ripples out. As you are, this energy ripples out. Others will pick up on these frequencies. Others will start to understand these dynamics, the telepathy, the understanding, the intuition. It is happening rapidly around you. More and more people stepping into this new way of being, letting go of the old constructs, letting go of the old belief systems, constraints, and control mechanisms. It is an amazing time to be alive. It is a wonderful time to be mastering these skills. And we applaud all of you for the hard work that you have put into your journey and to follow through, to listen to the videos, to read the books, to practice the ways, to do the healing, and to be in this journey, and to remember who you are, and to accelerate in that ascension process by being exactly who you came here to be. We thank you all so very much. We thank you for being here and for celebrating here with us on this page through these videos and through this community. It is a beautiful community. We thank you all for being here so very much. And with that, dear ones, we will give you back Tracie. Okay. Wow. I kind of don't even really remember what was coming through on that, but thank you guys for being here and for being these beautiful souls that you are. I love that you are here on my page with this community and for all the sharing that you guys have been doing. I've been doing my best to get to all of your comments and reading them and responding or leaving little hearts behind to let you know that I saw it and I appreciate you. Thank you to everyone new to my page for subscribing. And if you are new to my page right now, please subscribe. Join this family. We are growing and it is an exciting time to be alive. This page is meant to support us through these transitions, through these blow ups, and through good times and bad, right? We're here to be a support system for each other. That's my intention with this page. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget, if you would like to go on the journeys or learn more about channeling, the information for that's down below. If you'd like to go to Iceland in June for a workshop that I'm doing with Julia Cannon and Trina Sheeran, we're doing a 10-day cruise in Iceland. That information's on my website and down below as well. Thank you guys for being here. Love you all so much. We will see you in the next video. All right. Bye-bye.